The Swedish Navy is encountering Russian submarines in the Baltic Sea almost weekly, highlighting a persistent Russian military presence in the region. This ongoing activity underscores the strategic tensions in northern Europe, as Sweden prepares for potential increases in Russian naval operations. Such developments are critical for investors monitoring geopolitical risks that could impact defense spending and regional security dynamics. Meanwhile, a drone attack attributed to Russia has damaged the protective shield over the Chernobyl nuclear reactor, raising significant concerns about radiation containment. This incident not only highlights the vulnerabilities of critical infrastructure to drone warfare, but also emphasizes the growing importance of counter-UAS technologies. These technologies are becoming increasingly vital in safeguarding sensitive sites from aerial threats. In the Middle East, an armed group supported by the UAE has advanced into Yemen's Hadramaut province, potentially escalating the conflict in the region. This move could further destabilize the area, impacting global oil markets and regional security. Investors should consider the implications of such geopolitical developments on energy prices and defense contracts in the Middle East. The U.S. State Department has approved a $111.8 million sale of GBU-39B small-diameter bombs to South Korea, enhancing its precision strike capabilities. This sale is part of a broader strategy to bolster South Korea's defense posture amid regional tensions, particularly with North Korea. The deal reflects the ongoing demand for advanced munitions and the strategic partnerships between the U.S. and its allies in Asia. Italy is set to purchase Joint Air-to-Surface Standoff Missiles with extended range for $301 million, boosting its long-range strike options. This acquisition aligns with Italy's efforts to enhance its military capabilities in response to evolving security challenges in Europe. The investment in advanced missile systems underscores the importance of maintaining a robust defense infrastructure amid rising geopolitical tensions. Denmark's acquisition of AIM-120C8 advanced medium-range air-to-air missiles for $730 million aims to strengthen its air defense systems. This purchase reflects Denmark's commitment to enhancing its national security and interoperability with NATO allies. The deal highlights the increasing demand for sophisticated missile systems in Europe, as countries seek to counter potential threats from adversarial nations. Norway plans a $6.4 billion investment in additional submarines and long-range strike capabilities in response to Russian provocations. This significant expenditure demonstrates Norway's strategic focus on enhancing its maritime defense capabilities. The investment is part of a broader effort to deter aggression and ensure regional stability in the face of heightened tensions with Russia. Teledyne FLIR Defense has secured a $42.5 million contract to supply the U.S. Marine Corps with Rogue 1 loitering munition systems. This contract advances the Marine Corps' autonomous weapon capabilities, reflecting the growing interest in precision drone technologies. The deal is a testament to the increasing role of unmanned systems in modern military operations. The U.S. Marine Corps has chosen the Dutch Damen LST 100 design for its new medium landing ship program, aimed at improving mobility in littoral environments. This decision is part of a strategic initiative to enhance the Marine Corps' operational flexibility and support amphibious operations. The program underscores the importance of modernizing naval capabilities to address emerging threats in coastal regions. Turning to the markets, Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR, saw its stock rise by 2.16% to $181.76, buoyed by its involvement in U.S. drone operations. The company's technology is increasingly being utilized in military applications, including the deployment of drone clones by the U.S. Central Command. This development highlights Palantir's strategic position in the defense technology sector, driving investor interest. AeroVironment, ticker symbol AVAV, experienced a 3.15% decline to $278.39, reflecting broader sector pressures despite the growing demand for drone defense systems. The company's focus on counter-UAS technologies positions it well for future growth, but current market sentiment remains cautious amid geopolitical uncertainties. Amphenol Corporation, ticker symbol APH, remained relatively stable, with a slight decrease of 0.07% to $139.36. The company's involvement in defense sector activities provides a steady revenue stream, although market conditions suggest a cautious outlook. Investors may find Amphenol's stability appealing in a volatile market environment. Lockheed Martin, ticker symbol LMT, saw a modest increase of 0.86% to $452.20, supported by recent missile sales to international allies. The company's robust order book and strategic partnerships continue to drive its performance, making it a strong contender in the defense sector. Northrop Grumman, ticker symbol NOC, faced a slight decline of 0.73% to $548.97 amid ongoing discussions about missile defense needs. The company's focus on advanced defense systems positions it well for future contracts, but current market conditions reflect a cautious stance among investors. Boeing, ticker symbol BA, showed a marginal increase of 0.01% to $201.89 as the company continues its gradual recovery in the aerospace sector. Boeing's involvement in the upcoming RIMPAC exercise highlights its strategic role in military aviation, contributing to its positive market outlook. Huntington Ingalls Industries, ticker symbol HII, declined by 3.58% to $304.58, influenced by developments in naval programs. The company's focus on shipbuilding and naval capabilities remains critical, but sector pressures are impacting its stock performance. For investors, today's actionable takeaways: 1. Monitor drone technology firms for growth in military applications. 2. Consider geopolitical tensions' impact on defense stock volatility. 3. Watch missile system demand as countries bolster defenses.